Tap the Climate button at the bottom center of the screen to access the Climate interface. Tap the Air Quality button. The Air Quality interface displays the external AQS level on the left and the internal PM2.5 value on the right-hand side respectively. The vertical bar on the left shows a high to low AQS level from green to red, while the vertical bar on the right shows a low to high PM2.5 value from green to red. Tap the Smart Air button on the Air Quality interface to trigger the Fresh Air function. Once turned on, an icon will appear in the status bar at the top of the interface. Tap and expand the weather card in the home interface of the center display to see that Smart Air is on. Tap the deodorisation button on the Air Quality interface to turn on the quick deodorisation function for 3 minutes to improve air quality in the car.